Right as me decide to start video one bag of truck and carry one pass. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Today I'm going to be doing a day in my life video because I have some stuff to do on the road. I don't really know how much things I have to do on the road. Sorry if my look busted. I'm so sorry, but my nose, I started sneezing when I stepped out the shower just now. I don't know what that's about because my cool off before I go bed, so I don't know what that's about, but I have some stuff to do on the road today, so I decided I'm going to take you guys because I haven't done an interactive video in a while. I've been stocking up on the hair videos because of Black Friday. You know, everybody wanted their video to be out before Black Friday, so you guys know where the deals are at. So yeah, so I'm going to be taking you guys with me on the road today. Guys, I am swamped. Like my low-key stress out, but I decided that I'm not going to be that girl because finals are next week. Finals actually start this week and I'm still posting for you guys. I haven't stopped posting. I don't do appreciate it. When I ask guys, I don't appreciate it because I've been getting the messages. I don't appreciate it. But it is what it is, and I'm still going to be posting. So, yep, I have finals next week. Not looking forward to it because this school year has been so stressful. I'm telling you, I have one course that has about 6 topics and we've only done 2 topics in the class, and they told us like, yo, the 2 will get in, like the 2 that we were taught, and it a company test. So yeah, I know that I go, and it wasn't a case where we can really focus on the other one, them like full on because them keep on give assignments on the 2 where them need to give in a class. Every week we're supposed to come and present, so it was annoying. But yeah, enough of my ranting. Today I'm still wearing the wig from the last video. Gosh, I'm sorry if I'm touching my nose so much. It's just bothering me. I know I don't have no missy. Okay? I think when I stepped out the shower into the cold floor, it just triggered me. But yeah. Please remember that regular draw up is a thing, regular flu is still a thing, regular cold is still a thing. Everything is not that thing, okay? Please remember that. Once I rub like alcohol over my nose, I'm good. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm still wearing the hair from my last video and I need to actually straighten it back because straight hair is a lot of maintenance. So let me see. Yeah, it needs to straighten back. So I'm just like a big swan run over this with the iron for me. Cause I don't know, so I can't do it by myself. So this here gives me a taste of what I would look like with relaxed hair. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda glad I never relaxed my hair because my head big. So I'm gonna ask one. You see how them disrespectful? Like, why you choose to cut your grass now, so you could wait till me get up? I'm gonna ask one for straighten this for me. And oh my god, guys, I got this pimple over the weekend and it was hurting so bad and the head was white and then I burst it and then be a blood. I know it looked like this, but just I got through it right now, okay? So yeah, I'm going to straighten this and be back. Alright guys, so I went yesterday the grass man come back. See what me at about? So I went ahead and got it straightened. Don't it look like if me ear did for cream? Like, it's so nice. So again, if you're interested in it, all the descriptions will be down in the description. All the details will be down in the description box below. And this hair is from Arabella. It's 14 inches. I decided to go with this length because I just didn't want this length. So yeah, if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check it out in the description box below. Yeah, I think I'm just going to wear it like this. I'm not gonna put nothing else surrounding it like a headband or nothing. It's not a headband wig. But yeah, they come out in the light. Yup. So all details will be down in the description box below, and I'm going to go ahead and put on some glass and get my bag ready, because you know say you have your road bag where you have to ensure that everything in your purse, your glasses, for glasses wearers, your mask, everything. So I go ensure that my bag is fully equipped for the road, and then put on some glass and then ready to leave. So I'll see you guys when I'm on the road. I'm here with this one, and I'm going to take some pictures for her, because if you know, say 90% of the pictures on her Instagram are taken by me. So you like up your face. Like say I like me that go tell.
No, but me never did. Me not wait for your way I guess.
But it's the truth.
No, it's the truth. Me not did not.
So I'm gonna take some pictures for her.
Yeah.
I'll come at the people in place, up in them scheme.
We're not in nobody's place right now. We're on the hillside, okay?
So there's still people in place.
It's God's place. The hillside.
Alright, so we're up on the hillside now, about to take some pictures.
Yeah.
After which we will make our way back into the city.
We're not that far.
We're not that far. We're like 2 minutes up on the hill. Literally 2 minutes up on the hill. So we're just gonna take some pictures here. And then what we'll go after this?
You know which part we'll go. When I don't talk about that a while ago already.
No, but I wish for...
You're gonna do your shopping, your top secret shopping.
Oh. Yeah. But I'm not gonna even can show you that in this.
I went to vlog your post.
Wednesday.
Next Wednesday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because she's too fast. So.
And see.
That's what we're about to do. So. I think Mega can catch up the phone now if we see when I take the picture. So
whenever I bring my my tripod, my phone tripod.
You see me now, I don't really like use people things before them, you know. So mode really just go.
I use it already actually. Yeah. You can use that gymnastic.
Oh well, mode no. So I didn't bring a tripod so. And then I can't swim into the picture them. I just a life go. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. You understand?
Show the vlog.
Literally 2 minutes later, like literally we're back in the... So I'm kind of hungry. I think I want a Burger King chicken sandwich, and I gotta say Shami, I'm always hungry, but when I eat out from man, well I'm gonna eat 2 egg, well 1 egg cut in 2 and 1 single sausage, just that with ketchup, no bread, no nothing, just that. So I want a chicken sandwich. So I'm going to go to Burger King for that. I had a zinger yesterday, so I really want that. So what I want Burger King just that. Give me just a chat. So I'm ready to go right now.
We'll go back with more snappy another outfit.
Alright guys, so in the Burger King drive right now. What's the one?
Sorry, come on to your business.
We're in the Burger King drive right now.
It not work. It not work. It not work.
What said?
You well I know say you have your mask.
Right? The two on the door make one, that's mommy and the family friend in the back.
You're not there now.
On the CR. One man. One man.
When there?
Like this, so.
You know him?
Yeah.
Travis?
You know him too.
Eh?
Wanna go where you gonna man? Oh God. So yeah, we there Burger King job. What?
What shall I say?
She don't say nothing.
Mommy is really concerned.
She want to see the man.
Who is the man?
Hey man, you want to see?
Why oh God. Mama want to know the man. For the 4th or 3rd time we're in a Burger King drive-thru and I'm going to put someone on the spot. What is my go-to Burger King order?
American chicken sandwich.
In London.
No tomatoes. Champion water. Yay! Ah!
She got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, for she either get Whopper or the same thing for me. She loves to follow me, guys.
No.
I put her on game.
No,
So, yeah, I put her on game. Go on up my line. And that's on her. Anybody who takes one and she sending the stickers, she got them from me. Because me put her on game.
Wow, Shami, wow. Me did have sticker from money.
Come on, them never act.
I have some.
But
Alright, you send me some spicy one. Okay.
Some meaning for. Literally.
I can't with you.
Man, them hands off on them lunch break.
I really can't.
Get you on them. From when you have something in my smoke.
Right?
We can't full of belly,
Probably
sir.
not no
Look
money,
like
no.
him hear me talk about him. Look straight over here. Go.
I'm probably not no money. You think
That's
so?
for true.
Sometimes I'm not no money, you know. You see
The
them
two
money?
bills when him take by the weed, him could have go buy one party.
I know I said I beg him, friend.
That's true. That's true. Them a
More time you
vibe.
see people out there road, you don't
Them
know
a
what I'm
vibe.
saying?
Every man head a bop.
Like them money, yes. Distract themselves from the broke pocket.
Yeah. That you have to do sometime. Drink water and go on like a fool, yeah.
Yeah.
All they know about them life there. We know nothing about
They
that.
probably look power and things so we
We
don't
don't
know
think
about
we
them
don't know about them life there, lie. We not tell.
Guys,
We been through it.
we've been.
So you want the same thing as me, don't?
Yeah.
You have money?
So you can buy it for me? Oh, you buy KFC for me? Alright. Alright, I'll buy it. You buy
You
mommy
think
them?
I'm on? Can I? Cash. Yes. Alright, can I have 4?
Using cash?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I have 4 number 8 no tomato, please?
4 number 8.
Yeah, no tomato for all.
Is that the deal you want?
Pardon?
Is that the deal you're ordering? The family king deal, like 4 American?
Oh, I didn't know that was available.
Huh?
Oh, them you
Yeah, I'll take that. I didn't know it was available.
Yeah, man. Alright. Say what's it for them?
Orange juice for all.
Alright. I'll come for you?
Yeah.
Okay. No tomato and white sauce?
All of them. No, for all of them.
No. So no tomato all of them?
Yeah. Them have deal 4 combo for 2.5. Pardon? Alright, thanks. Them have deal, I mean, a good thing say for me, I buy a not 3.
And you don't think so? A 3, you know? Then give you
4 for 2.5. But you may take orange
wow.
juice at
And
2.6.
you fries with everything?
Yeah, 4 combos for 2.5.
Wow.
You get
okay.
4 Whopper. You get it. You can,
That's
you
reasonable
can
for
mix
Burger
it.
King.
You can mix it. You can take 2 Whopper combo, 2 American combo, or 4 American, or 4 Whopper. I'm put on up on game on the cast. Them never go no. So, how much you have to forgive me?
No.
$700.
I would have 5. Yeah, 7.
You have 2 $500. I can give me $1,000. You change $1,000 for me, so give me
Give
$1,000.
back the same $1,000.
I feel like my rabbit look a while in a weird way. I'm not sure.
No, me
But
just
you
give back
change
this.
it.
I change
Yeah.
me just give back this $1,000. Give me back.
No? Wait, I'm not this. A 2.6 she said. Sure. Yeah. I'm not gonna show no when I eat the food though. This is not no mukbang. I'm hungry. I'm gonna make
Now sure about me, I eat the food.
Yeah, go over so one channel for no one.
ASMR vibes.
She glad she buy one new mic. Look on it.
Ah! Shout out to the. Oh, we can't say that. I your vlog this.
She's so used to her people's.
Yeah, it was a subscriber that made
This is
me
my
like recommend me.
Oh, I got for this. So I got a fabric store there. I got Sovereign.
Yeah.
So I have a little shopping to do. And so I'm gonna have to stay in the car.
This hair looks so good.
Right? But it tight your fault.
It's tight for your head?
Yes, so because my ears are no fun underneath it.
Oh yeah.
Tight.
But I love how flowy it is. Super flowy.
So I guess mega soon when I'm going to the fabric store. Come I buy one new backdrop.
Yeah.
Tie-dye, you know what kind I don't know. So
Yeah,
I get one new
you need
backdrop.
something solid.
Yeah. And guys, this is the family friend, Dana. Mommy. Of course, she. No, I don't. They must have a little I'm bigger than so on. That's not true.
She does.
That's not
Even
true.
some people that watch us say
It's not true. Come on. So I go buy the fabric now. I don't know. I don't know. Kind of looks up on when I edit it and upload it. I don't know. Yeah. Going to buy a backdrop. I'll try to figure out how to forget. All these different types of
They want her for assist with some.
them they're silky material. You want it? Silky? Think you don't want flat. True, that kind of look like the blue way you did have up.
In a silky.
Alright, go.
Chiffon.
Chiffon.
I never chiffon. That's too thin.
Like this. Not something like this. Yeah, man, I like this.
Yeah. No, it's thicker. I like this. No, it's thicker than the mirror.
No, man, we know nothing thicker than. Oh, yeah, this is see through.
Yeah, that's it true.
I don't know material, you know. Taffeta.
Just choose one of them and you just put it up against the rest of the material in behind.
No, so this is see through too. Yeah. I wonder if I this shirt or something. I could do like blue and I see. Pretty. Cause I too much right have to stop and then turn it. No man, wait.
She actually, some like one of them over there, so yeah.
Over here. I wanted like a soft material, not necessarily shiny. I just use it as a backdrop. I don't know which.
But not necessarily shiny.
Yeah.
Matte, not shiny.
Same difference.
Which one that is it? What color you look for?
Not necessarily for a specific color, you know.
That's it?
It's feel like uniform material.
Yes, it is.
I think I'm gonna go with the chiffon one over there, so. Alright, come. Oh my gosh, it's such a struggle finding the material that I want. Alright, I'll go with this color, just 2 yards of it. Get material, guys. I just go with this one. Hopefully it look good. So I got something now, so on.
Yeah.
That girl you know like got the Christmas hat, you know?
La 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 la.
Alright guys, so we're up at Sovereign now. Me and mommy going to buy something. So one can't come with me because she just can't come with me. I did get the material, I think I did show her. She not go care. See her around this stuff. I said then I go stay with her because she look like poor thing. So oh, them they carry it up here. I'm not gonna show no where I buy, of course, or where I'm going because she gotta watch it. So I don't know, make no sense. So yeah, guys, I got what I needed, but I'm just a tad bit annoyed right now because I don't know, I just feel hot and I just I have to hide because she there near too. I forgot to take the key from her now and go in at the car. Go, I just can't bother. I'm over this. Like, I'm annoyed. Like, I'm really annoyed. So, I have one last stop for the day. I think. Well, I want to go to the ABM, but that's not major. And then I'm going to go home. And I think I'm going to take off this wig because, as I said before, it's a little tight on my head. And I think I'm starting to get a headache, so I'm ready to go home, bro. So that's what I'm about to do. Just go to Fontana and then home. Guys, I'm home, but I don't think I am actually going to end the video here. I think I'm going to give you guys like 1 or 2 more days just because I don't feel like enough things happened today. But I'm going to go ahead and take off this wig now because my head is hurting. So the next clip you're going to see me, I'm not going to have it on. I know I had said in the last clip that in the last clip that I wouldn't have ended the vlog here. I'm actually going to go ahead and end it because while editing I realized that I have over 20 minutes and 1 or 2 more days would be like 40-50 minutes, and that's not what we do over here. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and end the vlog, and as you can see I did go ahead and take off the wig because my head was hurting me so bad. I probably needed to get a bigger cap because my hair, like, yeah, like I actually would be a medium, but because of my hair I would need to go to a large. So that's all for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, comment what you're looking forward to the most in this Christmas season, out of this Christmas season. Go ahead and comment that, and I will see you guys in I will see you guys in my next week video. So bye.